Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. I hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for Junior 1 students. Dear students, our class mathematics and today's topic descending order. Our today's topic descending order part 1. Our lecture number 14 and homework 11. Lecture 14, homework 11. So dear students, let us know at first what is descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means we arrange the numbers bigger number to smaller number. So look, have a board. Here are 6 numbers are given. Okay, which number is biggest number from this number? Okay, you have to identify at first which number is the biggest number among this number. Okay, here are 35, 93, 64, 7, 29 and 16. Now we are going to arrange the biggest number to smallest number. Look, all digits are 2 digits except 7, only 7. So 7 is a single number. 35, 93, 64, 29 and 16. Now let us know our tens place. Tens place 3, 9, 6, 2 and 1. So which number is biggest number from tens place? 93. Yes, 93 is the biggest number from this number. Now we write at first 93. Okay. What is the next number? 93 and 3, 6, 2 and 1. So 6 is the biggest number, 3, 2 and 1. Now we are going to write, and I am going to write name 64. Okay. Which is the next number after 64? 64, 3, 2 and 1. Which number you have to write? Yes, number 35. Now I am writing 35. Okay. Left of the numbers 29, 16 and 7. So 2 and 1. 2 is bigger than 1. Now we can write easily 29 is the biggest number, bigger number than 16. Now this circle it. And remaining number 16 and 7. Okay, 16 are another bigger number and 7 is the smallest number from this number. Okay, now we are moving question number 2. Okay, here are 6 numbers. Here are 6 numbers jumbled up. These numbers are 36, 94, 65, 8, 30 and 100. So dear learners, I know you do it. So you tell me which number at first we need to write. Yes, 100, because of 100 is 3 digits. 100 is biggest number from these numbers. 100 at first we write. Then which number? Okay, and now tens place we identify 3, 9, 6 and 3 and 8 is a single number. Now we write 9 is the biggest number, 3, 6 and 3, 94. Okay, 94. What is the next number? 94 now is circle. What is the next number? Yes, next number is 65. Yes, 65. 36 and 30. And here are 3 tens place. Now you are going to ones place. 6 and 0. 6 is bigger than 0. Now we write 36 is the bigger number than 30. Now this circle it. And we left the 2 numbers 30 and 8. We can write easily 30 is the another bigger number than 8. Now we lost digits here. 8 is single number, so we can write easily 8. 8 is the smallest number from this number. So dear students, I believe you understood today's topic, our today's topic, and write in descending order. Now that is your homework. Homework 17, 97, 100, 69, 44 and 18. You arrange this number big to small, and bigger to smaller. You have to write at first biggest number, which one is biggest you identify, then you write bigger to smaller. So dear students, your homework, do your homework properly and submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.